So it's that time of year again, right? You know the one. There's that buzz of excitement for a fresh start, but also that little bit of pressure, that voice in your head that says, this year has got to be the one. But what if the whole new year, new me game is kind of rigged against us from the start?
Okay, let's just cut right to the chase with a really important question. I want you to think about this honestly. Are you the architect of your life? Or are you just reacting, bouncing from one thing to the next based on whatever life throws at you? How you answer that is at the heart of everything we're about to unpack. Which, of course, brings us to this, what I like to call the annual reset problem. Come on, we've all been there. You're all fired up on January 1st with these huge, ambitious goals. And then by what, February? All that steam is just fizzled out. It's a super frustrating cycle. So what's the deal? Why does this happen to pretty much all of us? Well, here's the real problem, broken down. Over here on the left, you've got your classic pressure-driven resolutions. These are the goals we pick up from the outside world, what we think we should be doing to impress people or look successful. They make us feel overwhelmed because they're not really ours. But then you look at the other side, value-driven goals. This is a whole different ballgame. This approach starts from the inside, based on what actually matters to you. So yeah, that old model, it's broken, for sure. And if we want different results, we can't just keep doing the same thing over and over. We need a completely different kind of plan. And look, I need to be super clear about something right off the bat. This is not just about cutting out pictures from a magazine and gluing them onto a poster board. Now, those can be fun, but what we're talking about here is a structured process that goes way, way deeper than that. So what is it? It's a method called VisionCraft. The best way to think about it is like a blueprint for your future. It actually blends real psychology with some deep self-reflection. And the absolute key here, the secret sauce, is that it forges this super strong connection between who you are on the inside, what you truly value, and what you actually go out and do every single day. Okay, so that all sounds pretty good in theory, right? But how does it actually work? Like, what do you do? Let's get into the nuts and bolts of it. It really boils down to 3 core steps. First up is structured reflection. And this isn't just staring at the ceiling. It's about asking yourself some really honest questions. Like, when did I feel totally on fire this past year? Or what are the things that just suck the life out of me, even if they look impressive to other people? It's about finding your real priorities. Then, from that place of clarity, you move into guided visualization. This is where you paint a super vivid picture in your mind. What does it look like, sound like, feel like to be living that future? And finally, all of that groundwork leads you to purposeful intention setting, because now you know your why and you've seen your what, so you can build a plan that's both totally inspiring and actually realistic. Okay, so let's say you do all this work. You commit to the process. What's in it for you? What are the real, tangible benefits you're going to see? This is really where the magic happens. You gain this incredible clarity on what actually matters to you, both in your career and your personal life. But it's more than that. You start to see those emotional blocks, the things that have been holding you back, and you learn how to move past them. And when your goals are finally plugged into what you value, boom, your focus, your motivation, your self-confidence, it all gets a massive boost. The end result? You just feel grounded, intentional. You're not being pulled in a million directions anymore. And this quote from mentor Kushal Sharma just nails it. Success is not about doing more, it's about doing what truly matters with clarity and intention. This is the ultimate antidote to that toxic hustle culture. It's not about cramming more stuff into your day, it's about making damn sure the right stuff is on your list to begin with. So really, what this all comes down to is an invitation. An invitation to find some real clarity. Because if you remember just one thing from all of this, let it be this. You have the power to shift from a life where you're just reacting to everything thrown at you, to a life that you have designed on purpose. Because here's the truth. Transformation doesn't happen by chance. It's not an accident. It doesn't just happen to you. It happens because of you. It's a choice. So, as you look ahead, you've really only got one question to ask yourself. Are you going to keep letting life happen to you, or are you ready to grab the steering wheel and decide where you're going?